soon we're going to prepare for the approach in Juliana International Airport at the beautiful island of St. Maarten. The St. Maarten runway is a bit challenging for us, that it's relatively short, and the area around the airport also has some hills, so we'll do a thorough preparation for a safe approach. On the iPad we have a route app where you can see our route towards St. Maarten. Here you see the route to St. Maarten. We are at this position right now. On the other map, you can swipe towards that one. You can see our RNAV approach for runway 10. The RNAV approach is to be used by aircraft equipped with GPS, as we are today. This approach gives you a very efficient path towards the runway, and specifically at this runway we will take over manually for the last part.
Tower today, KLM 785. We are descending out of flight level 200, flight level 10. Descend to 2600, 3005. KLM 785. Cabin crew, prepare for landing.
Flaps 1.
Flaps 1.
Flaps 5.
Flaps 5.
Gear down.
Gear down.
Flaps 20.
Flaps 20.
See the runway?
Yeah.
Autopilot off, auto throttle off.
Cabin crew, take your seats. Clear to land, KLM 785. Landing checklist, take your seats, announce speed brake, armed. Landing gear,
down.
Flaps
30.
Landing checklist.
Cabin crew, doors may be opened. Welcome to Juliana Airport, St. Maarten. I hope you enjoyed this trip as much as we did. We also hope to see you on board on one of our aircraft one day.